Hi guys, welcome to Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing about the Charlie's check for movements. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of notes of all subjects of all courses. If you are looking for this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. So here we are. You can see here the part Charlie's checks for movements. So following identities we have first one f x plus 1 f x plus 1 square, third one and the fourth one so are used to check the calculations done for finding the moments. So these are the some identities you can learn about these identities for moments. And if you have other queries related to your course, you can contact us anytime. We provide all type of help related to your course. Thank you so much.